Now, if you want to use the fade, you would click, again, you would click View Video Transitions. See this? View Video Transitions. You would click that. Okay? These are all the video transitions that you can use. Now, I don't recommend. Now, so what you do is you click this this little box left to show storyboard. Okay? And it's going to bring you up. It's going to have these boxes in between. Now, I don't recommend that you use a video transition in a video that's broken down into frames. You want to use a video transition between videos. So if you're going to stack this with 2 or 3 videos to make one video, as I showed you before, that's where you would use a video transition. Okay? So the one that I usually use is fade or dissolve. One thing you need to understand, if you're shooting a video and you're shooting 3 videos and you're going to back them in 3, 2, and 1 so that you have a video made up of 3 videos. Okay? If you're going to do that, that's when you would use the fade in, or you would use anything you want. You could use fade in, just drag it down there. So watch.
So let me show you again. Here's Windows Movie Maker. See Windows Movie Maker
very quick.
over there?
If you wanted to use dissolve, you would drag that one down there.
The ones that you want.
See how it dissolved?
You have to go back over here to show timeline.
You could use this one.
So that
if you want to get, if you don't like it, then you just
want to put the box.
left click on this, right here, left click, and go cut. Right click, I'm sorry, and go cut. And then maybe you want to put this one in. An eye. Okay? So let's just see what the eye looks like. You have to click this so it begins. It's going to go to an eye and then the frame.
So let me show you
can
again.
do that.
Here's Windows Movie Maker. See Windows.
Okay? Now, one last thing I wanted to say. If you're going to back in 3 videos, for example, to make one, when you're shooting the movie, when you're shooting each of the 3 videos rather, and you turn the camera on, you have to wait about 2 seconds before you start speaking. Otherwise, the video transition is going to wipe out the first 2 or 3 seconds of what you're saying. So you just pause a minute, you click on the camera, pause 2 seconds, and then start speaking. Okay? And that's pretty much it right there. Now, one more thing is you can click make titles or credits. Okay, let's try that. Make titles or credits. Okay, so we're going to put title on the selected clip. Okay, so let's say you want to put Jerry from ABC Carpeting. Okay, that's going to be your title right here. Let's say you wanted it's showing up here in red. Okay, but let's say you wanted it to show up in a different color. You click text font and color, and let's say I wanted it to show up in yellow, so I click yellow and then OK. Okay, then I would click select the title animation. You don't want to have this Jerry from ABC on top of Jerry, so you click select the title animation, and you'd want to pick something which shows it at the bottom. So we'll put subtitle at bottom. So you click that, subtitle at bottom. See this over here? Jerry from ABC Carpeting. This image here is just a default image. Okay? And then you would want to click this, because that's where you want to put it. You want to put it on the first one, and then you would put done add title to movie. Okay, so let's just see what that looks like. We'll go back to here. It's stalling a little bit right now. Okay, we'll back this up. Okay, and now we're going to run it. This is the beginning. Now watch.
So let me show you again. Here's Windows Movie Maker. See Windows Movie Maker over there?
Jerry from ABC Carpeting. See that?
and it's gonna show.
So that's how you do it. You have to make sure that when you're doing title on selected clip, that you pick the clip before you click done. Okay? And one last thing here. If you're fooling around with this and you feel like you did something wrong, you put the title in the wrong place and you're a little bit confused, all you have to do before you save it is just go up to the top here where the X is and X out. Click the X and then click no, you don't want to save it, and it disappears. Then you open Windows Movie Maker back up, okay, and you bring in whatever video you're working on and you do it again. Okay, you don't lose anything if you make a mistake. You just bring it in again. Okay. Remember, it's importing the video. You edit, select all, copy it in there, and do it again. Okay? Until it's exactly what you want.